And Mrs. Rouse, did you say Mr. Oh, here he is. Mr. Duran is joining us now. All right. Good morning, Mr. Duran.
Morning. Thank you.
All right. All right. Well, I have 9:30. I'm going to go ahead and call this case right now to trial. This is cause number DC 19-06848, Bank of America versus Alan C. Young. May I have the parties announce on the record if you'll let me know your name and who you represent at this time?
Thank you, Your Honor. My name is Tim Elder. I represent Bank of America N.A., the plaintiff.
All right, Mr. Elder.
I'm not in this case, Your Honor. I thought it was a foreclosure matter for Akina. set for
Okay.
9. Do you have that on your?
I have that, and it's supposed to be called at 10:30, Mr. Duran.
I'm real early this morning. Okay, thank you.
Sorry.
Okay,
Well, at least you don't have to go too far from your computer. So we'll see you at 10:30, okay?
yeah, I love it. No windshield time. We like that. Yeah, thank
Right. Okay, thank you. All right, so Mr. Elder, it looks like it's going to be you and I. I know that the defendant in this case is a Mr. Young, who is pro se. Has Mr. Young been served with service of process?
Yes, Your Honor, he is served and has filed an answer. He was given notice of this trial date and time by certified and first-class mail.
Okay, what I'm going to do at this time, Mr. Elder, do you announce ready on this case? Are you ready to go forward?
Yes, Your Honor, we're ready to proceed.
Okay, all right. I'm going to have the deputy just basically call out our pro se party's name in the hallway. Obviously, during the pandemic, all the lawyers know that we are not coming down to the courthouse, but that message sometimes does not get out to the general public, and some people still show up here in court. So we want to just make sure that he is not here at our courthouse. So I will have the deputy at this time, if you will call Mr. Alan C. Young, if you'll call his name 3 times in the hallway, Deputy Smith. Alan C. Young. She's going to do that right now. All right. Let the record reflect that the deputy has called the hallway for an Alan C. Young, and there was no response here in court. Let the record also reflect that Mr. Alan C. Young was served with service of process, which is proper. And he has filed an answer and was notified of this particular trial setting by regular and certified mail return receipt requested, and he has not appeared. I'm going to let you proceed at this time, Mr. Elder. You can go ahead and present an opening statement, if you will.
Thank you, Your Honor. This matter is a Bank of America credit card case. And there is an unpaid balance of $6,650.73 owed by Mr. Alan Young on the credit card, which he asked for and used and paid until he stopped.
All right. Okay, will you have be calling any witness, or do you have any evidence that you would like to present to court?
Yes, Your Honor. We have I've submitted the business records submitted under affidavit. I've sent those to Ms. Rouse as
All right.
Exhibit 1.
Okay, and the court has received the business records affidavit of the plaintiff, and the court will admit into evidence plaintiff's Exhibit 1. Is there any other evidence that you would like to submit to the court, Mr.
Nothing
Elder?
further, Your Honor.
Okay, and do you know if there is a proposed judgment that has been presented to the court?
I have not, Your Honor, not knowing if Mr. Young was going to attend or not, but I have both ready. One,
Okay.
if he did show up, and the other if he didn't.
Okay, all right. The court intends to grant judgment as prayed for. It will ask that you submit the proposed judgment to the court. And when I say submit, if you'll simply e-file that with
Yes,
the
Your
court and make sure that it presents the one to reflect that Mr. Young did not show up for the trial call this morning. I will ask the clerk to be on the lookout for that particular judgment to come in. And as soon as it comes in, the court will review it and get it signed.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. May I be excused?
Yes, you may. That concludes our hearing. Thank you, and nice to meet you, Mr. Elder.
Good to see you, Your Honor. Take care.
Take care. Bye-bye.